Hello everyone, I'm Rakshit Pai and in this video I'll talk about ITC Limited. Is it worth investing, and if you have already invested, then what to do next? Check the full video and you will get your answers. Before we start, don't forget to check the description where I have put a link which fully covers the topic in depth. I have written a detailed article on ITC. Do check it out. So let's get into today's topic. Business introduction. ITC is a diversified conglomerate company and is amongst the top FMCG companies in India and has a market cap of over 2.5 lakh crores. Who is the owner of ITC Limited? Well, there is no one promoter group, but British American Tobacco Company is the single largest shareholder in ITC Limited with holdings at 29.7% of the company, and the rest of the shareholding pattern is as such. ITC Segment-wise Analysis. Basically, ITC has four major segments that are ITC Tobacco, which contributes about 85% of company's bottom line, and then we have ITC FMCG business, which contributes less than 5% of revenue, and ITC Agro and Hotels, which contribute 4.5% and 1% revenue respectively. So ITC Tobacco business is a cash cow and is likely to stay as such for some more period. But over the years, we have noticed the tobacco business gradually reducing, hence it is crucial for the company to earn stable revenue from its other source, mainly FMCG. ITC Demerger, is it a possibility? ITC Chairman Mr. Sanjeev Puri says the management is not ruling out the possibility of restructuring different businesses, including demerger of hotel and even listing ITC Infotech, which is a subsidiary of the conglomerate business. Although the management thinks that this isn't the right time for demerger considering the situation, but the plan to restructure is not off the table, so we can expect demerger to happen anytime if management considers it. Is ITC a zero debt company? As per annual report dated 31st March 2021, the company had a financial liability, which is a non-current liability of 496.04 crore and about 10,689.68 crore in current liability. Put together and other expenses, excluding provisions, the company has a liability of about 12,937.65 crore. And the company's cash and cash equivalents, bank balance and current investments is at 19,505.35 crore. Hence, I could see that the company is financially well secured. Pros of investing in ITC. Point number 1. Although ITC is a tobacco business where the company gathers most of its earnings, the company in recent years ventured into FMCG, IT, agri and hotel businesses. A healthy diversified business, the fruits of which can be flavored in later days. Point number 2. In the last 10 years, ITC FMCG business grew at a compounded annual growth rate of 33%, and the same will continue, thus bringing dependency on cigarette business down. Point number 3. Company's financial stability is positive and cash position is extremely good. Point number 4. Strong brand value not just in cigarette business but also in FMCG and hotel businesses. Point number 5. Large capex investment into FMCG and hotel businesses is worth noticeable and a plus point. Cons of investing in ITC. Point number 1. Tobacco business is a sin product, hence regulatory issues may come at any time. Point number 2. Extreme stock dilution has made the equity shareholding unfavorable due to clumsy holdings or weak hands. Point number 3. High dividend payout at over 80% of net earnings has made the company vulnerable. It also raises doubts about company's ability to service the dividend payouts in future. Point number 4. Research and development expenditure to gross revenue is extremely low at just 0.3%. Point number 5. Tobacco business contributes over 80% of company's bottom line profit, wherein FMCG business provided a single digit and extremely low operating margins. Extreme stock dilution has been seen in the past 3 decades. The company has over 1,230.88 crore equity shares, that's equivalent to 10 shares for every Indian. When equity is diluted and stock price reaches such a stage that every speculator in the stock market could afford to trade, in such cases, the number of quality holders gets reduced and quantity holders increases. But this new class of shareholders has clumsy mindset, hence weak holdings. They are not stable. Hence, the stock moves various hands over a trading period, resulting in valuation staying the same for a considerable period. What is the future of ITC shares? If you are someone like me who believes in India's democratic capitalism, then you will surely be optimistic about Indian market in general. I believe a new shift in the consumption-driven economy that's out to happen will drive sectors such as FMCG, insurance, banking, and financial institutions, auto, and many such to new highs. ITC being a prominent FMCG company, I see more reasons for the company to monetize its already established market position to pick up and generate value to the investors. Hence, I believe that the company is worth well in years to come. So, should you invest? So, if you are already holding ITC Limited in your portfolio and if the same is over 5% of your portfolio weightage, then your portfolio investment advisor might ask you to trim your holdings. Know more about portfolio allocation by checking the link in the description. I have written a detailed article about that. In my portfolio, I hold ITC at 1.65% of entire portfolio weightage, and I'm considering increasing the holdings up to maximum of 3% of the entire portfolio. I have been holding ITC for a long period and would hold for the next 10 years at least. You can check my portfolio, link in the description. That's my ITC analysis. If you want to know more about investment, economy and personal finance, consider subscribing to the channel. Also, if you want me to review any particular stock, in the comment section, tell the name. That's it for today. Thank you for watching.